The Singer Model 15 was one of the world's most popular sewing machines of all time. It was incredibly strong with good piercing power. It's said that Singer salesmen demonstrated the power of the Model 15 by sewing through tin cans. However, I wouldn't recommend it. The 15 was produced from roughly 1894 to around 1957, and in that time went through many changes. The one thing that makes the Model 15 easily recognisable is the tension assembly on the faceplate. This particular machine is a 1925 Singer Model 15K30, the K denoting that it was made in the Kilbowie factory in Scotland. And it wears the Sphynx type decals which were popular at the time. This is a hand crank machine and it's full sized, meaning it could easily be transferred to a treadle table. It came in a heavyweight wooden carry box, although you wouldn't want to carry this machine far. Most Singer 15s are unusual in that the needle is threaded from right to left. However, the 1530, along with the 1580 and several other designations, thread the standard way from left to right. These machines also had a different bobbin case, often referred to as the 1 o'clock style case, where the right to left threading machines had an 11 o'clock bobbin case. This referred to the position the bobbin case's finger pointed. For the Model 15, Singer developed a new needle, which is known as the 15X1, and this became standard on almost all of Singer's machines, and is still the most popular needle in use today, being adopted as a standard by most sewing machine manufacturers. To wind the bobbin, slide the bobbin cover back and remove the bobbin case. Release the stop motion knob. Place a spool of thread on the top spool pin and thread it over the front thread guide. Pass the thread through the inside of the bobbin and through one of the holes. Mount the bobbin on the winder, making sure that the thread goes through the top and bottom thread guides of the winder. Engage the bobbin winder by pressing it down towards the hand wheel until it clicks into place. Slowly start turning the crank to wind the bobbin. You can see the arm on the thread guide moving from side to side to evenly wind the bobbin. Release the winding mechanism by moving the lever up and cut the thread. Re-engage the stop motion button. Place the bobbin in the case and pull the thread through the tension spring on the bobbin case. Insert the bobbin case back into the machine with the finger pointing up, then close the bobbin cover. To thread the machine, move the thread from over the front thread guide to the rear one, making sure the presser foot lever is in the up position. Pass the thread through the tension discs in an anti-clockwise direction. Pass the thread under and over the tension bar and down to the check spring. Then from left to right through the eye of the take-up lever. Through the thread guide on the faceplate, around the guide on the top of the needle bar, and thread the needle from left to right. While holding the top thread, turn the hand wheel so the needle goes down and picks up the bobbin thread. Pull the bobbin thread through the needle plate and place both threads under the presser foot and to the rear of the machine. You are now ready to sew. This machine has a stitch length lever but no reverse. Later models had reverse and also the ability to drop the feed dogs for darning or free motion embroidery. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of all my future videos. Thanks for watching.